Today we're going to make waffles from scratch. These are a perfect treat for any weekend morning or for any special event such as Father's Day, anniversaries, birthdays. So what we first do is measure out all the ingredients. All the ingredients can be found in the beginning of my description. I highly recommend doing this before you start the recipe. So what we're going to do is take the dry ingredients. We have flour. We're going to add sugar. And then we're going to add baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And then we're going to take a whisk. And we're going to mix it all together. Be sure to separate out your eggs. So then we're going to take all the moist ingredients except for the egg whites. And we're going to add everything. And then whisk it together. And then we're going to whip the egg whites. So we're going to take our milk, melted butter that's cooled off. We're going to take our egg yolks and sour cream. And then we're going to mix it all together until it's nice and smooth. And you could do this by hand. You could do this in a mixer, but I'm keeping the mixer for the next step. If you don't have a mixer, you could hand mix the egg whites. We just want to get some air into the egg whites, so then we have a fluffier waffle. So we're going to take the egg whites, put them into the stand mixer, and put the mixer on high speed. And after about 2 minutes, the egg whites are going to be beaten stiff. Here I'm just having it go a little faster with my fast forward. Okay, here we have our nice stiff egg whites. And what we're going to do is we're going to get a spatula and we're going to fold the egg whites into our batter. This is our waffle batter. By now you should, if you haven't already, plug in your waffle iron to get that waffle iron hot. You fold it in, you fold the egg whites, it might be a little lumpy, that's totally fine. Then you're going to take about, you could use a ladle or the scoop. You put in about 3/4 of a cup of the batter. You spread it around. You don't want it to overflow, so you don't get it all the way to the end. You close it, and we're going to wait for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. You're going to see steam come out, and after about 3.5 minutes, your waffle should be finished. You open up your waffle maker and you use a fork or something. Here I use a little spatula to pull out the waffle. There you go. You have about enough batter for 4 to 6 large waffles.